This is going to be our campfire campground review on Pio Pico RV Resort, 1,000 Trails.
Subscribe button's right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along.
And right over here off the main road is their country store and their main check-in. This is the side you are most likely going to be put into when you come here, because this is the side with no sewer, and they do like a lottery raffle for who gets to come to this side if there's a spot open. So this side is just right over here, but you do not check in over here, you check in on the other side. I have an old lodge that was over there in those trees. I've got a lot of RV storage here. All over the place is storage. Now you come up to your little box here, you punch in your numbers, and your gate opens, and away you go. Like any typical 1,000 Trails. I've said it, the boys have said it, April said it. We like this side a little bit better compared to the other side. Everybody likes their sewer. It's got two nice big dump stations right up here to your left, and it's got a pretty cool RC track. If you are into RC racing, well, this one has got a pretty cool RC track. Take a look at this. It's got some pretty cool little nifty swirls in there and a couple jumps right up in there, as you can see. Pretty neat place, huh? We'll go on the outside loop and do the inside loop on the main road on the way back. That way you kind of get a drift of all the spots throughout inside here. Oh yes, they are doing construction on the bathrooms over here, so they're redoing them all and making them nice and new. All right, we're gonna go right over in here for a minute. Right over here they've got a tennis court, and they've got a dog park and a playground for the little ones. So just drive back here and show you real quick. We've been taking the dogs back here to the dog park to play. They've patched up the fence. Could use a little bit of new fence, but they patched it up pretty well. Enough where the dogs don't get out or nothing. But another little playground for the little ones. Decent sized dog park on this side. Half a basketball court and a tennis court. Now again, this is the one where the dog park is labeled on the map. So the other dog park is not labeled. It's funny, we probably got you guys all over the place because we usually tell you how we like our privacy and everything like that, and the trees and all that kind of stuff. This side does have less big trees and cover, but there's a lot less people over here and they're a lot more spread out. That's the difference of this side and why we like it a little bit more than the other side. I was amazed with watching other YouTube videos. You don't get how big this park is, and it's a very large park. When you're driving down the main highway on your way to Chula Vista, you can see the park for quite a ways, and I was surprised how big it really was. That's right, guys. We have a cabin this time. Now I'm going to take you on a drive through the park and everything like that, and then we will go and take a look after I give up my rating and everything. I'll show you what the inside of a cabin looks like. So if you're curious of what a 1,000 Trails cabin looks like, stay tuned and we'll show you. See, if I could pick a spot, it'd be somewhere right through this area. This is the spots I would like. Preferably one on this side over here. Any of those would be pretty good for staying at. We like corner spots, obviously. With the dogs and stuff, it gives a little bit more privacy. They do have plenty of dump stations, though. There are 3 dump stations right over here on this side, so you don't have to go too far to dump. Isn't that the coolest motorhome? The only other time I've seen one of those is at an RV scrapyard. It was outside for sale in Washington up there. Alright, this is down at the pool. Got mini golf right down here. This is the first activity pool. Now we're over here with this second little, or I guess it's the first little pool, whichever way you really want to look at it. We'll take a peek. This one is closed for COVID at the moment, but you can reserve, and I have seen somebody swimming in the other pool up front. So keep that in mind. You can go swimming up at that other pool in the front. So anyways, this is your playground and park you got here. And then up here, they have a youth center on this side of the area. We'll go up here and take a look. Up the stairs, up the stairs. Oh, much easier coming up these stairs since I quit smoking. You guys didn't know I quit smoking on the 24th of December. So, yay me. Haven't smoked a day since Christmas Eve. Haven't been up here either. So we got pool tables, ping pong, and a little bit of foosball and stuff in there. I'm sure they do crafts and everything like that. Look at that, cool mini golf course right there. And again, there's another shuffleboard court right out here. What do you know, huh? Alright. Looks like I got a fire pot. Ooh, look! I got me a golf ball. There is that pool. That is right by the main entrance and your main road right here. Otay Lakes, I believe is what the road's called. They do a nice job on keeping it maintained here and clean. I mean, they got you kind of crammed inside here, but they do got trees. For the most part, staff here has been fairly friendly with us. We've had a decent time staying. A little different for us, a little new way to stay without the RV, which is our first time staying in Thousand Trails Cabin. We had friends stay in the Thousand Trails Cabin before, and we went down and visited with them at the cabin in Acton. But people seem to really like this park. I think myself, just because our own personal thing of having a little bit more privacy and not being so crammed in, and the staff was super friendly. I think the other one, Oxenta or Oxanita, whatever that one's called, it's only about 25-30 minutes from here. Myself, I like that one a little bit more, but it is high up there in the mountains. This one is a little closer to town, like El Cajon and Chula Vista. You're right about smack in between the two if you're going to go into town. And if you turn right up here, you have got an activity center and the Coyote Canyon Cafe. This is still all closed for COVID, but hey, we'll go over here and take a look anyways what they got. Couple board courts up in here, huh? Oh, look. An outdoor pool table. No balls, no nothing. I haven't been up in here yet to look. There's a parking lot on this side too, on the other side of the store and stuff, which is right down there. Just a little bit of view from the park up top here. So you see him? Oh, there he went. Dirt bike trail or something up there. See lots of border patrol and whatnot. A lot of cars and activity going on up there. Some people walking. But kind of a cool little spot. I didn't expect that, I'll tell you that much. Alright, we'll continue with our drive here around. Is the main side of the south side, and this is where your sewer hookups and everything like that are. This side also does not have internet. Nowhere really has internet. Not Verizon, not T-Mobile, not AT&T. You can get Wi-Fi at the lodges and stuff like that, but our hotspot doesn't work, and you can buy their Wi-Fi packages. It's like $15 for a week, and you get 10 megabytes or so, or whatever. We normally don't do any of that because we don't care as much, but we did this time because we had to stay in contact with the shop and everything like that, and family while we were here because of our transmission problem again going out in our RV. This time we are at AMCO Transmission, and we are getting a full rebuild yet again, another $5,000 bill, and this time with AMCO, we will have a traveling warranty that'll be good through any AMCO as we travel. Unlike our other warranty, which it is under warranty, guys, our transmission was under complete warranty, but it's only good at the shop there, All Transmissions in Vancouver, Washington. So it would be our bill to get it towed back up there for them to fix it, which we are clear down here in San Diego. You imagine that tow bill. Alright, first things first, let's go back here and check out this dog park. Now, like I said, they've got your volleyball net there and your basketball courts. Full basketball court on this side. Park right back here is not on the map for a dog park, which sucks because it's a little closer to where we were at. Would have been nice to know that it was right back over here. Oh yeah, see? It's not near as big. The fence is a little nicer, but second little dog park. And even during COVID, you are allowed to use this pool. You just got to sign up for it and check in. We haven't because we don't got none of our stuff here, guys. We barely have anything due to it's all still in the RV. Doesn't that look like ours? Dip right here would not be fun in a large rig. I think it says anything over 33 feet do not come this way, because you would definitely scrape and hit on the bottom if anything big. Now we are back out up here by this pool. All right, let's take a look at the cabin, shall we? All right, here we are. Nice little deck. You got use of a barbecue right here. You can use that barbecue all you want while you're here. And decent little deck and a nice little view at the bridge now here. Annoying dogs in the window. It's dark in here. This is the cabin. Not much to it. Kitchen, table, bunk beds. Beautiful wife, looking good. Typical bathroom. Excuse our mess, we're just kind of displaced here out of our RV, so that is a Thousand Trails cabin, guys. That's what you get. That's the whole stinking tour. At least it's got a full-size fridge. We haven't had a full-size fridge in a while. Got a guy coming down off the hill up there. Supposed to be some good hiking trails up there. Right over there where that guy's going is up that trail that goes to the hiking.